Good afternoon, everyone. A lot of you are sitting there saying, oh my God, the interest rates are so high, I can't afford to buy. Yeah, you can. Why don't you just look at doing a duplex? And how this works is that you would put you in one unit, let's say it's a 2-bedroom, and the others could be your parents, your siblings, your exes for all we care, and they're living in the 2-bedroom as well. You're sharing the mortgage. It's not just you having to pay everything. And it's stupid easy to qualify for an FHA loan to get a duplex that you're going to own or occupy. You need a pulse and a job, literally. And you got to have some kind of savings in the 401k or bank, and you have to have a 620 FICO score or more. And oh, by the way, the average American has a 660. So even if you're below the average, you could still buy. So what are your benefits of doing all this? Real simple. You stop paying rent, which is 100% interest rate. You have long-term financial stability and a lot of different tax write-offs. DM me or call me and let's get started.